Thought I'd compare the effectiveness of two types of aerials. One of the aerials is on the trash can and is a monopole. The other aerial is on the Beta FPV 85X HD and is the Luminaire AX2. I'll take the two quads into a room that is 5 rooms away from the FPV goggles. The quads will then be powered up in turn, and I will test the image in the FPV goggles on 25 milliwatts and 200 milliwatts for each quad. The goggles have got two aerials. One is a patch aerial and the other is a cloverleaf. Okay, this is the Beta 85X at 25 milliwatts. I'm just turning my head now to get the best picture I can for 25 milliwatts. Trying to get the patch aerial pointing towards the quad, more or less. That's about it. Switching now to 200. The picture goes off and then comes back, and that looks quite stable. Turning my head so the patch aerial is pointing away from the quad, and the picture remains quite good, flickering a bit. Back to 25 milliwatts again, and I'm turning my head now so the patch aerial points away, and the picture goes on and off quite a lot. We now have the trash can in position and powered to 25 milliwatts. Turning my head to get the patch aerial pointing towards the quad as best I can. I think that somewhere there, that looks like it. And then we'll switch to 200, which we've done now, and the picture's stable. Very stable. Turning my head away from the quad, a little break up, so the patch aerial is now pointing away from the quad. Quite a good picture still. So that is quite clear. And then we'll switch back to 25 milliwatts, which we are now, and the picture is breaking up badly. Turning my head away from the quad, the picture goes obviously unflyable, and that's about the best picture I can get by pointing the patch aerial at the quad again. So in conclusion, at 25 milliwatts, the Luminaire AX2 outperformed the simple monopole. But at 200 milliwatts, either aerial seemed much the same. I think the 200 milliwatts power is more than adequate for punching through 4 solid brick walls.